What does Frosty have?
Carrot nose, but a knife, and bloom in his hands is sweet, and a hair in his mouth. That's it.
What does he say when he comes to life?
Happy birthday.
Why does he say happy birthday?
Because he likes to when he comes to life.
Is it his birthday?
No.
Oh.
He says happy birthday to kids because it's their birthday.
Just like your birthday? Oh.
Like Frosty tells me happy birthday when it's my birthday.
Oh, what makes him come to life?
A magic hat.
Magic hat? What comes out of the magic hat?
Magic.
Where do they go?
In the hat.
In the hat?
Yeah.
Where does Frosty go?
In snow.
In the snow? Where does he find Santa Claus?
At the North Pole.
At the North Pole?
But he can't get to the North Pole because no tickets, no money.
No tickets, no money? Oh man. What does Santa
They
Claus
found a
do?
train to get to the North Pole.
They did?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
But then they didn't make it.
Why not?
Because Santa came to them because they didn't get to the North Pole faster.
They didn't? Did Santa rescue him?
No.
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 Well, what does Santa do?
Nothing. They just gave him presents.
Is that what Santa does? How does he give you presents?
Put them on their Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What does he do? How does he get here?
The sled.
The sleigh? Who pulls the sleigh?
Reindeer.
Reindeer?
And Rudolph.
Rudolph? Tell me
That's
about Rudolph.
Rudolph has a shiny nose. That's it.
And shiny nose. What's his song like?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Rudolph the red-nosed
I don't
reindeer.
want to sing it
Why not?
because I don't know how to say all the words.
But he has a shiny nose.
I don't know how to say that.
Oh, okay. Thank you.